Welcome to my channel, Learning Coding in the Attic. We're looking at a new exercise on the Exercism Bootcamp. So here we're tasked with filling and drawing a cloud, sun, and raindrops using different shapes that we've seen before. First step is to actually choose the colors of our clouds, sun, and raindrops. So let's start with the sun. Let's do something 76 and 28. 76 and 8. And let's do it with a radius of, I don't know, 10. Let's see how big that is. I think I need quotation marks here. So it's too small. It's slightly too high. Let's go down by 1 or 2 pixels. So remember that to go down, you actually have to increment the numbers. Yes, sounds okay-ish. What if we're trying one more? We need to move it slightly to the left. Seems to be in the right place. And let's do a... As I see it, there seems to be a big round shape here, which would be nice to have. And then maybe we can have another circle here, and another one here, and another one here. And then fill in the rest with a white rectangle, maybe? Let's try this. Let's put a right here. Let's have a rectangle in this position here, 52, 44. Let's have it the width of, let's do 10, just to see what it looks like, width and height. Fill color X. Oh, that's really small. And so we need to do it once, 3 times as big, I guess. But we need to put it as the top. I keep forgetting that it's the top left corner. So top left corner is 39, 29. 29. It's actually better. And it's actually quite good. I just need to add, just move it down a bit. Just 1 pixel should do it. Yes. Let's add circles around it then. Let's do 1 circle here, like 75, 50. Radius of, so we use 15, let's do 10. Oh, it's actually sitting nicely, but there's a bit of a... Let's see whether the next circle is going to be covering this part. Let's do another circle. We'll center it around here. So 61, 38. It's going to be quite big. Let's do 20. 1 too many. It's not that bad. I need to move it down a bit. Down, and it needs to go to the left. Slightly down and to the left, and I think it needs to go down. Okay, I think they're just not right. Well, it did say that they're divisible by 5, so it just seems that I need to adjust that. I think it should be okay. Oh, okay, let's try that. Let's fill in the little rectangle here. Let's do 68, 52, 67, 52, 52. Height, let's do small one. Let's move it higher. Okay, so that's filled. Let's get this one. Let's do a 34, 36, 46, 10. Okay, I think it's small. It's 15. And let's move it down and to the right. To move it down, I need to increment the numbers, 40, and move it to the right. That would be 40 as well. Oh, that's the right position. Good. Let's tackle this here. That would be 24, 50, 50, and here is 10. Oh, right. In the right spot. Really good. And rectangle would be here, I guess, from this position. So that's 26 and 50. Let's do it by 15. In terms of height and width, it's a bit too big. Let's move it to the right. I can see it's not big enough. So let's do 15 and 15. Move it to the left and to the left again. And let's move it up. So to move it up, I need 45. Good. Looks about right, doesn't it? Oh, it does say the base of the cloud. Wonder whether it's the drops or the base. Okay. I'll tackle it and I'll see later if I need to look at to move it up a bit. Okay, here, so we need ellipses, and which will be 30 and 69. Oh, I need the color first though. Color. Let's do, I don't know, oranges. Orange is a nice color that I quite like. What was it? 30 and 69. And I need two ranges, X and Y. So X would be here, and I guess the radius would be about 1, 2, 3. Now Y would be 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't know if that's correct, but let's see anyway. It's not that bad. Could be actually 5 for the Y axis on the ellipse. Okay, and it's just too high. Let's do, so if it's too high, I need to increment it. I want to put it down a bit. Yes, okay, looks sort of, I've noticed that all three of them are aligned in such a way. So what I could do, for some reason I can't copy and paste. But anyway, I know that aligned on the same y-axis, I need to determine the x-axis. So that's 50 and 70. 50, and the rest of it will be the same. I don't know if you've ever seen a blue cloud with orange drops, but looks a bit different. And what about one? That's 40 and 79. A little bit too high. Let's do, go down. We need to increment it. So here, yes. And the last one is 60. 60, and I have the same numbers for the last one. Okay. Okay, but that the base of the cloud isn't correct, so I might need to tweak this a little bit. Let's have a look at, perhaps that's something to do with the y-axis all the time. So I probably need to change, for example, the rectangle and the y-axis. So if I increment it by 1, no, I need to move it up. So it's 29. 29 doesn't work, but 30 doesn't work either. Could it be because of something else? Perhaps circles? So this one is this rectangle, right? Okay, and this one changes everything after. Okay, but that one I can actually see it better. Is it touching? That could be a problem, or this could be the problem. This actually seems to be quite. You know what I'll do? I'll add color for every shape so that I can see what I'm doing. Hey, what about the purple rectangle? Can I have it? Can I move it a bit higher? So I've tweaked the coordinates a bit, and I've came up with another solution here. And I didn't read it properly, but it did say in the hints that all the numbers I need are divisible by 5. So I tried to keep that in mind, and I did the same reasoning as I did before, where I've first done the sum, but this time I started with all the circles, and I've then added the rectangles. For the ellipses, I did roughly the same, and this actually works. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the